In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align elements in Canva using the ruler and guides. Aligning elements is an essential skill for creating visually appealing designs that are balanced and easy on the eyes, and Canva provides some great tools to help you achieve just that. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any other graphic, getting the alignment right is key to making your design look professional and polished. To start, you'll need to have your Canva project open and ready. First, navigate to the top menu bar and click on File. This is where you will find various options for adjusting your Canva settings, among other tools that can enhance your design process. Hover your mouse over Settings. You'll notice a drop-down menu appearing, providing additional options to tweak your workspace. Within this menu, you'll find the option Show Rulers and Guides. Click on it. By activating this feature, Canva will display tools that are crucial for manual alignment. Now let's put these tools to work. With the rulers visible at the top and side of your canvas, you have the ability to drag out guides wherever needed. Guides are thin lines that you can place across your design to ensure that all elements are aligned properly. If you have specific vertical or horizontal alignment in mind, simply click on the ruler at the top or side and drag down or across to create a guiding line. Place it at the exact position where you want your elements to be aligned. After setting up your guides, it's time to align your design elements. Select the element you want to adjust and drag it towards your guide. You will notice that as your element nears the guide, it snaps into place. This snapping feature helps you to align elements precisely without having to make minute manual adjustments. You will also see that when you drag your elements and they intersect with the guide, portions of the ruler at the top will darken. This is a visual cue to indicate that alignment is occurring at that specific point. Use these cues to your advantage to ensure your elements are positioned just right. Remember, you can use multiple guides to create a more complex layout. Feel free to experiment with their placement to tailor the structure of your design until it perfectly suits your creative vision. By taking advantage of the ruler and guide system in Canva, you'll have all your elements aligned effortlessly, leading to designs that not only look great, but also communicate your message effectively. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful technique for aligning elements in Canva that can greatly enhance the quality of your designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!